Did you know there are more formatting options in Word than appear on the top ribbon? Here's the one simple hack to show all your formatting options in Word. Start by right-clicking on the normal style and choose Modify. In this box, you'll see a quick overview of the most popular settings that people tweak. Now let's dig a little deeper. At the bottom left, you'll see a Format drop-down. You can see font formatting, paragraph formatting, and more. We'll start by choosing Paragraph formatting. We can add space to the indentation and between paragraphs. First, go down to the indentation setting and set left to 0.2. Next to it, you'll select the special drop-down and choose first line. Next, look at the spacing settings and change after to 6 point. Keep line spacing at single. Everything else should be fine the way it is. You'll see a preview of your settings at the bottom of the box. And that's not all. You can change advanced settings for fonts, paragraphs, which we just did, tabs, borders, and more. When you're done, just click OK twice to get back to your manuscript.